SmartCAM version 18 knows a whole lot about hole making. SmartCAM version 18 introduces several new advanced hole making capabilities in all SmartCAM milling applications, as well as SmartCAM advanced turning. Improved solid model feature recognition combined with a new hole feature element type provide the ability to model complex compound holes with full parametric detail. A new hole feature process provides the foundation for fully automated hole making by using the additional hole feature data to automatically calculate the appropriate toolpath start levels and depths. These new capabilities immediately provide SmartCAM programmers significant gains in productivity and accuracy, saving both time and money. Here we have a typical solid model that we will use to show the new hole making capabilities, but the new functionality can also be used with wireframe models. This part contains several tapped holes at different levels, some blind and some through. All holes have a chamfer at the top, and there is a cone at the bottom of the blind holes. First, we'll use hole feature recognition to find all the tapped hole features. We'll create them on a new layer named quarter 20 tapped holes. Using from solid hole, we'll simply specify the top surface on the solid, turn on the match diameter by example option, and pick an example hole. Create all creates hole features for each like-size tapped hole. As we see, instead of creating single hole elements, we have created compound hole features which display as 3D wireframe geometry over each hole. We open the element data to view the new hole feature parameters. In addition to the hole diameter and depth, taper angle and hole bottom type are also displayed. Now that we have the hole features created, let's use the new hole feature process to spot drill the tapped holes. We select the compound hole features and choose our spot drilling step. Using the new hole feature process panel, we specify start level and depth to be from the feature and depth type of spot diameter. Go creates the spot drill toolpath. We'll take a quick look at the toolpath using show path. We see how the spot drill depth was automatically set to the diameter of the hole chamfers, and that in spite of having the entire hole feature selected, only the chamfer portion was machined. Next, we will quickly tap drill the holes using step 20. With the hole feature still selected, we set our depth type to tip in order to drill our blind holes to the model tip depth, and specify a small through clearance to ensure the full diameter of our tap drill extends past the bottom of the hole. We'll turn on reverse order to make the toolpath more efficient. Go creates the tap drill toolpath. Again, we'll quickly view the resulting toolpath with show path. With transparency on, we can view the tool as it drills our holes. Despite having both blind and through holes selected, SmartCAM automatically applied the correct depth to each hole. And notice the toolpath progressed in the reverse order. SmartCAM gives you complete control over toolpath sequencing, so if desired, we could easily resequence the toolpath however we would like. For now, we will leave it as is. Next, we will quickly tap the holes using step 30. To keep the tap from bottoming in our blind holes, we specify a small negative depth adjustment value. And to ensure our tap produces full threads on our through holes, we'll increase the clearance value. We'll turn off reverse order so the drilling order once again alternates. Because our hole features are modeled to the tap drill size, we'll adjust the fit tolerance to allow the larger diameter tap to enter the smaller hole feature. Again, Go creates the tapping toolpath. We'll view the tapping toolpath with show path. We see that SmartCAM has correctly adjusted the blind hole depths to prevent the tap from bottoming. And the through holes have the additional clearance we specified. The new feature-based hole-making process makes it extremely easy to create hole-making toolpath by automatically applying the active step tool geometry to the selected hole features. By creating the hole-making toolpath using regenerable processes, modifications to the toolpath is very simple and easy. To demonstrate, let's change the diameter of the spot drilling toolpath. We recall the process and change the depth method to specify and enter a new diameter. Clicking Regen updates the toolpath with the new parameters. The hole-making process can be fully automated using SmartCAM's unique and powerful macro features. Here is a simple macro that took less than 5 minutes to create. It uses a standard set of tools from our current job and applies them to all quarter 20 tapped hole features. Let's see how it works. We delete all the toolpath we just created, reselect the hole features, and run the macro. Look at that! The hole-making toolpath was created in just 6 seconds. Again, we'll quickly view the resulting toolpath with Show Path. Now let's see the macro run on the different model that contains like holes. Note that even though the model composition, hole depths, and hole levels are different, the same macro generates the correct hole-making sequence. These new capabilities immediately provide SmartCAM programmers significant gains in productivity and accuracy. When combined with the power of the SmartCAM macro system, automated hole-making processes can be applied to your model in just seconds. For more information on SmartCAM version 18, please check the SmartCAM CNC website at SmartCAMCNC.com. SmartCAM version 18 knows a whole lot about hole making.